Welcome to the virtual forest. Today, I will take you on a journey into our forest's future. Please join us and witness how industry, science, and politics collide. Forestry and industry are serious business. Our forestry industry accounts for over 11.4 billion euros worth of exports each year and employs more than 41,000 professionals within Finland. Finnish forests are also an essential part of maintaining our environment. Via the process of photosynthesis, our forests convert CO2 into carbon and safely store it. Trees both sequester and release CO2, so when we fell and reduce the number of living trees, this has an impact on the amount of carbon sequestered and stored by our forests. In 2013, we harvested 65 million cubic meters stem wood, but our forests continued to act as a carbon sink, as the forests sequestered 26 million tons of CO2 more than was released through trees' own respiration, natural mortality, and wood harvesting. Please turn and look at the forest around you. Some of the trees in front of you are over 100 years old and store more carbon than younger saplings. But it is a combination of younger trees, around 40 years, which sequester carbon faster, and older trees, which store more carbon, that will help increase our carbon storage. The mean age of Finnish forests is currently around 50 years. Increasing the mean forest age via longer rotation times would increase the carbon storage of our forests and thus mitigate climate change. This could improve the diversity of our forests and also strengthen their resilience. Please focus your attention on the valley below you. Climate and biodiversity crisis challenge us to find a balanced approach to forest use and management. A balanced approach which ensures the biodiversity of our forests and enhances their carbon sink. If we increase harvesting the short-living wood products, we reduce our carbon sink. This sink reduction is difficult to rectify, but by increasing the share of long-term wood products like buildings and furniture, we could decrease that adverse impact. If our harvests increase by up to 80 million cubic meters, as the Finnish Energy and Climate Strategy 2016 intends, our forest carbon sink reduces by 13 million tons of CO2, equivalent a change of minus 50% compared to the year 2013. New analysis may produce slightly different numbers, but increased harvests always decreased the mean age of forests and thus slows down the development of essential forest carbon storage. Accounting for the full climate impacts of increased forest use, especially carbon sink reduction, would be essential in all future forest strategies. Forests may even turn into a carbon source if harvesting and forest damages increase enough. We must avoid this. By increasing the carbon stock of forests and reducing the use of younger trees for paper and pulp, we can curb climate change more efficiently. However, the current Finnish Energy and Climate Strategy 2016 does not support this aim. Changes to both regulations and business strategies are necessary if we are to support the aim of reducing climate breakdown. We want to continue to stand on wooden legs and maintain our reputation for efficient wood production. We also want to address the importance of mitigating climate change. If we are to move beyond a fossil economy and achieve success in our climate objectives, a simultaneous reduction of fossil emissions and strengthening of ecosystem carbon sinks is needed. There is urgency, and you have the power to instigate change. Thank you.